Truth be told, madalas kong makita ang pagkakamali ng ibang tao. Pero hirap na hirap akong pansinin yung sarili kong pagkakamali at mga pagkukulang. Madalas sa paningin ko at sa sarili kong pamantayan, ako syempre yung mabait at ako yung laging tama. Bida-bida lang ang peg, no? But the more I get to know God, the more I get to know about myself. The more I get to know that I am not perfect. The more I get to understand that we are all sinners and all fell short of God's glory. The more I get to realize that I cannot judge anyone just because they sin differently than me. The more I get a clearer grasp that I need His grace. And the moment I encounter God and experience His true love and forgiveness, the more I can love, the more I can forgive, the more eager I am to share the gospel. Pero wala din namang masama kung punahin at itama natin ang mali, ha? But let's do it with love and with full humility. Madalas kasi mas madali nilang maunawaan yung pagkakamali nila kung ramdam nila na talagang mahal mo sila. And in everything that we do, let's make sure that God is glorified. Stay blessed and continue to be a blessing.